As a trade pro, you're busy. You don't want to spend time taking trips or making calls to check on orders, make payment, or even to schedule an appointment. We get it, and that's why we created our Trade Pro app exclusively for our members. Easy to use, yet loaded with powerful features. It's designed to make you more efficient. The app provides the information you want wherever and whenever you need it. Even when you're on the go, you can stay in the know. Unleash its potential and grow your business. Check order status and get alerts. With the Trade Pro app, you can stay up to date with your order and quote statuses. Get notified when action is needed or order statuses change. View order and quote detail. You'll have access to 3 years of order and quote history, which you can easily search and filter to find orders from any showrooms you work with. Approve your orders. With the Trade Pro app, verifying and approving orders is as simple as a click. Make payments on orders. Making secure payments through the app is easy. Save your receipts and notify clients when payment is due. Send a digital referral card. Use the Trade Pro app to quickly send your ProSource contact info to clients and earn referral bonuses. Manage your projects. Create a portfolio of your best project photos to easily share with new customers. Publish your projects to the ProSource website to get noticed by potential clients. Want more? It's got more. The Trade Pro app continues to grow, with new features added regularly. The Trade Pro app, another perk of partnership with ProSource Wholesale. Download it today.